for a higher juicy news. Mima Obibia Aquaba, latest hot and one Aremeyaw bro. Now, Sana is something in a bebaro. So we now subscribe, ya, but more than I say, over subscribe. Now, while I give video, don't give us a thumbs up, not fee, share now, or for now, when you be here now, and someone echoes, ewo Ghana memohano. I feel you share a year and someone abeto yeponoso. Inti a year, some come a year, Sansamoya, Babitu, Moma Inti, their echoes, Inti.
Say yes, or your leader of the house. Or your leader of the house. In the first paragraph, na Afenyo market. He said, Obama no the Apapa headline. Disputed nominee. But say, hey, stop there. Won't be. And one said, Afenyo market no I'm Boba. And one no Bobo. No, I am Mobo Ankasa. Minority for none himself your more no, and yet one person in minority. Maybe Patrick
Buama. No what
na or observe.
That be Patrick no. Onu one of the finest. But of course, or a true custodian. He was senior to me and I was senior to Afenyo and all that. Inti uhuna on preno but near ese on kano. Obeka. And so the presentation umpe MPP as Krampona, but you love the quality of his presentation.
That's right.
We ought to know. Now what church the Nyentia on Jiwe entum. Nyentia on far way, so he would make that case as strong as possible. Senior, me, you represent the embodiment of custodians.
What you say? Even after that plan, we check the first Facebook poster. I say we're there to vet the nominee and we pray everything. Just after the whole thing, just one can be say negative plan. So these are the people Senkomuna a lady or no lady minority. I just obey Kulu, obey my tough, but in a respectful way. Che or say James Abuso. Say Ustedina. On time a man about you so. This a call to the stream. But say issue ba how ultimate and the resolve. A speaker queen and him. What you say, Shemo, and so no apart from Boko. No, I say on this note, yes, for yes, he may say, was a mayor. Translate was my sorry. He said, you can't claim. Now, already, people for Angasa Mobe Koje. Moko for a penny and the apple, Boba Kwaku Diasamo. Chief Justice. Nakeja matina mu na moye mu de nidia ma no edru ba bia you hear him say am radie but wo dey intervene kakrama ye wo mutimi di nkomo sa ada ye chi obi otimu sa ni pe wa ko bokro no pa ni ache no yeso so no essence wo ye ohun ni panti no mutimi free police commander bi we dey enim say anko ye dey but we yasra mu amu
na sa no ye fo abone show
Tio, Ebia, as a said, Pano, Enya bail. Just Ober reporto. Baby, I deny in baila. A Duvaka say, why you born in Tino? Ebia won't help woman in your bailana. So only at him. Yanka say, Jano, Samani need Boneno cry. The moment drew by dear, process you on one, you can intervene. What I say? They say, what can be conditions are. Ama ye can say hana money asibene gift mu start or mu prison term we we so ma start prison term
I say na when ya bill for Friday na mti
10 million Ghana cedis who go no 6 people 6 sureties 4 to be justified easy but so what that rapport adai where dey so intervene my Debia says sureties you can only to so about 3 and 2. Ebia 800 million is okay. What they pay 100 million bra. So on the channel. I don't know how wouldn't the panel. I don't know who yes I didn't ask you near money bill. I know just as a mere come. Okay. And just here come. Now what started on this note? How are you going to intervene? And be necessary say we intervene here. Say minority MP bi akwakoye bibi unfortunately manusi sumna so. They be a BBSC ni achina kwakoshemo. How do you intervene? How? Eti no mo ya ne de eya de ati say Ghana ni bia e condemn. Number 1, when you say Montreal, omo ba nyina no me I knew say enya de omo be participate because the previous days you know now I started our chamber of parliament one of that. E mo ka say da bi omo mfo aso ne e gaga ho e maso omo say e be baso eti omo hu say e baso no omo ba nyina no they were coming to stage a walkout. The walkout no best stage you know what they said the press conference you know and e ba be basis no king can we are say what man and no secret no be respond no on this note we are hesitating. That is what sorry for I can someone to almost no more to just like that. Afenyo Markins one kasano among for treatment Omonsa will also say who could be Bochama or ECG containers say that among for treatment Omonsa will also hey I told you who grandfather justice it is a sabi manusi sumnaso say tokonu awua does it mean say Ghana judiciary awu? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Eh? Most sorry, Anna, you fight corruption. You fight corruption. Look, Yanana a yike. Say Ojela. America was more 1,000 years old. Heroes. No what transfer no share. Obetimaka said life imprisonment. Remember you. Now, before you get a pardon, say you were free life imprisonment, maybe I am more definite yes be too, you know. Now what premu pa? Eti asasi so omo na nyangobo. Unya seven kwade. Eti eni die bia the mob. I say it me. Because that is never be go share a himful obo betena ho any ade one for ni anto sanu mani nyina wonim se won back and track to that point eti media the make nyina ni say majority omoto a dumadie no so ye besrom ebe kromba present report no kra say na ochina Mahamadu in President Mahamadu in Abanash na Dumasia menka be me de be pan ye acting chief justice whether you like it or not or your chief justice ojaze dem esese yetimi CDP that ye ka so onye chief justice no president and letter appoint no so ye acting chief justice what you letter appoint no ojaze dem send ye be ya records yi dachi wonu susu betima ye yinjinu na ehuhia naka adan obetima tena ho adi na yi sa akogosi so be retire so on eje no but the papa mu no asese ye ma the CP so that bibi obeye bia na ebetima kodu no on do bi nkoka se ebia wo ye acting ti ana wantimi ama me ye sadi we ntimi de nye meka no na masre se omo anu tobe just say corruption show one say no attorney general for no omo nhase na omo because there are some kind of quotations nkophobia no omo ha adwene no nyankopon ma akwa omo yi omo free akwa mu what you say send your be omo akwa mu betene omo betima ye and the people they you see strategically no omo ye daft look the year you can say the problem meya how FPP for now some of us yenim No, young people who are site. But you said they were involved in galamsey. One no. They know what I say. One will be others who are business in them. Yeah. They say, Ghana, you can't credit. Say, you can't ground. Kasi say, ye former chief of staff who many are doing that, I saw me in a couple court Saturday.
Everywhere, party.
Kasi so in a good court. Ah, they say Jubilee House. Maybe the baby of Moche galamsey site. I am saying this for a fact. The officer no Moche galamsey site. At a point, almost fair. This Evíl, the cat is Asante region. So penny be so on family. I know you anyone who ever. Oh, man, who are family. I'm over the me say beba. You see, my instincts and the makers. They say, be free MPP. I shall say MPP 2 clear years. And some baby free. Me there woman ever TV so severally said me, one who will pin against me, they should take me on. What would you mean? Unyame. I'm not for particular. You can't tell me, say, you go tell me, mammy. Manko. Because, na minimum say, a class and it's my neck. Now, me share or more Cassandra because then Yanko, no, no, After we did try to was tracking on. Said that go for that suit as a pa. I mean, I say, now be did try no was tracking there. When are the big true? One did true. But then I make us say, Sanko for no, you have a transfer. Not about the snap because you have a CSA. You have a galamsey. The Kafa Koshianis have never who be at the Fogu, French, so the Nephew Busso. Now, Afenyo Shasienka. Miss Omonia, Omoneta, Ombasora, Omonia program. Omonia. It will take genuine people to do that and then do it. Let me dear, baby, I do. You remember President in Amakufiboa, and Omonia involved in a bomb abaso. Now, never can say. Numbers for me. My young mom was better they care about Rwanda. They said that I'm a media for a media for no more too known. May come with that a day a year. More too known. Okay, I dare Beboa of my Ghana. You two want a more pay. Let me say, rather freedom. I will give fundamental right. The baby. I think no one was here. Eti mo ba je se o ko Rwanda media for the Busia there. Ade. Eye media for mo dey se mo boa emia build this country. Yes, me am record you mo papa ko glam. Na asoka for discipline kakra. Na we say ade na buche cha go for bado. Mo kasa mo ti eni ho.
Na the whole sense of fire.
Mo ti no na eni ho. Because some people are saying say, "Ya kwa ya ni ensase essay." President, do something. Can say set of emergency in the Gaga. You have to be disciplined. Moangasa, Masala Betrasi, Namo Forty. I don't know if even every hitter. They catch you, Kweku make catch you. Kweku make catch you. They say Nigeria film be a friend of the evil forest. What is that?
Mareda.
More mutie me amahwe da nyina. As you see a declare Ghana forest nyina the evil forest. Who share film no? Let's be na onyaye. Who ra forest no I don't come back. Yeah. Say a evil.
Yeah.
But you we mu a. O ma bike. O kwaya o ma bi. So let's declare our forest the evil forest. Men ko tu go. If you remember, you don't come back.
Yeah.
What you see anti-me? Che. So the near Kwaku who say obi jina kwaye mu say kwaye no. Yen fa ne say wa body tu anu awu nipa baako. Yen ti bi da. Say nipa baako no e di no bi kwa ko gugugu hono mo a ye de banche bankra na wo tubu
yeah
ye de body ba na wo tobi a wo ba do if you look at the number of people ekra ha se nkwa hwe ye dodo nipa ba ko pe actions e ba bi ku nyina adentina se nipa ba ko no enfu ho na ensefu nipa dodo no ni ayedi enya boni se nkobi kwa ko pesika wo se bodu bi chefo ma nyankopɔ de akyeye no nkanya boni se wo kwa kotu anya sika demo ege boni se bebi a ense se wutu no na edunu je eye boni etie so mo asese e discipline the way I sit here sabe enye se yeni abadaya na se bibisa wo but let it Jango pa madam. And it is 11
and 11.
I can't 9 days, but no man 56 days. Become any mobile.
Yeah.
But me couldn't be banner over 14, no 20, any other. Me couldn't know. Say Jango Pompeii and I don't know so across ye.
Yeah.
Now, OP action, OP person in community. Let's just say, or Baba Chinning Quasso. No, we should not entertain that. NCC entertain is number 2. Akunta mining. Me say, Ejimu omo and Jomusu Kopa. Akunta mining no. Me suspect say, and you want to me Kwadia.
Oh, Kofobi more shares or more.
Me sana me suspecting. It is alleged say national service yeko ase no by election na honum no mo se sika free edekon but me nyanja gift here because wa ko shem ni phone ni nchai wan chase am body an nkwa bokodam it is alleged say it was a grand scheme e hona no mo sika free edekon sa by elections no o mo twa ye. That is a manager of Apunta Mine say, what do you about the canopre? He's welcome. Sabi, Obinata is each for each and one. So, yet, I am your son yet. Yeah, program. I say, yeah, Bako, the UTB program. As far as someone mechanic, and your main responsibility, and your evidence. It is a Mekoko Kabi Binasa, I say a chimia. Ya mechi ye training na because any training na dey go guy just say you na ya bo what asem no what would you do eti say why say look Mebwa state am you do baby adura no attorney general dey kan dey betuja was it be here organized crime bi ya no ye group na say uwo na ubetimi aba be kanokre a support to state ama yetimi apanishe ades ageni esese agifiri omo ho a I don't know ubetimi afa ohuaji ohuaji ohuasi wo say oba be boa oman no abe ya get to the bottom of the so how that you know
yeah
eti abranti edi awaye I think say yeah bompa say manu the bomb can cry Madam Cassie, okay, may prefer who did me Kwaku draw at all, want to be so. Man, yes, sir. The bomb or kind of crena a woman with Drew Honomono. And that's what I say, oh, Baba, my baby didn't grant and one on yes, you, ya would draw charges school, Debbie. You open go through the court process in our go through. Or more than that. So, o call Papa Dano and no other someone what can you know? I'm a Tony General who said, oh, and you move to get you to the bottom of it. It's all there, and no answer. And that's what I know, guys. Oh, I will draw charges. And that's how that here. Who go through vigorous process. I get convinced to say yes. I said now, I no pray. Yeah, because I share memos for no and right.
Okay.
Say or munye yi na edru ho no a baby adru no. I say omu use brute force kakra. What would you do? You can't have picture of an omen that for I don't know caddy. What the for we then print than the cheek. You the chicken. Because I didn't know you and you would disable. Upia.
Yeah.
Sans and phone I am to be back room. I say woman right to the moon time to baby cry. Yena, yet you who see woman right.
Human rights. I don't care about human rights.
Let me
what have Jane? Something friendly.
Let me get proof with it.
Okay.
Because yeah, no one area said you once you're all right.
Yeah.
To say to me level. Now here my actions Emma Mikuyen. But you want to mesre impeni ne din kanabua wona ye leader shawon crofo ne din I mean mochi wo mo nya sakeke because what do I want to do to awuja wo mo no masa kwa kosi etire no mo ye na wo prim na na ko video mu a eish wo be pa go gina wo bi onko eti media 9 months for no mo dusu brute force kakra na eno na be kire se ye ko ade no look at what happened at video mu a nkofo ko ho sei sa sojafo no
an show mo
like obabubu ngombe kumbebre a sojafo 10 na wo hwe etu asi se omumu ene bullets egu omo ho kumbebre but omo yesre community bi obey president account was it community bi obey sade no won ko free o na sa video no menim say apolice for eye wo be hwe o be pick wo mo baako say o mo pick wo mo no mo nya yiwia wo do ho akwakoto asemu wo a wo sorry kokko gina ho ira site ne nya wo dia by the end of the day na bi about 200 now they are show botum we enti wo kwakodam forever obi bia ye be chine galamsey site no I think say the sentence no as say a deterrent.
Okay.
I tell you for 70 years from there nothing go for ba from kakra ba hu dey no go for e ba from robbery no na ba from kakra those days okay o ma no mo kai nkofo a atayi kokko robo o mu kunkum o mu bo ya ndwene o mo hu da nipa ba ko be say you can say is it in the Old Testament was it suffer not a way to live what you say man just say abada ho men trasin hwe before ma metete for the Saturday no the ma metete o na ebeko so on dey no eti ye bombe ni fo abaso monko so kanabu a wodo boys monyire mo ho na monye ne esese moye na eboa na fe media for mumwa wo mo media for mumwa wo mo no mo ntimi nya adwuma di ye na me kokotie media house bi ana ama kofi bua ni nia anode na kwakwese awurade nyankopon
because of the bua ni ntia
because of the bua ni ntia I say so far Akufo be ye change Akufo Addo
na
besi idini Addo me am sister me si idini am you ko yoko
tiwa Addo
Gyamfi ya tiwa Akufo Addo sister any ade omo nye eyi enfom tiwa Addo Asante Achim South Asante Achim South
oni chebi de so mo kwan
wa eso yes eyi enti esremo ya mo nhwehwe nnuama mu ansa mo de beto abonten a mo de ato abonten
okay commander
say do agongo ya chiao
ya time na so me pa cho
me chiao group chairman
kama bisa wa semba chairman
group chairman ya chiao ya chiao pa
enti chairman commander chiao say na me so me chiao no na wo so wo say die ti commander chiao na no bi na me so me chiao enti Alaji said agogo me so yatiti me so me chiao chama me chiao
Ono me chana na pure water bia.
Oh, chama na pure water. Chama na pure water sa me chiao. Oh, ben abia mo sama me chiao chama.
Alaji fi.
Eh.
Se utimi ko ho a. Ono tea no ente se electoral commission. We dey okwa biscuit.
Biscuit ga ho.
Me na me ka sa me chama because of tea. But chama ni mnyenti a me chia no. Ti chama me chiao. Commander what the tea or chiao. Then I just what the tea or chiao. But me chia ni there.
Tea with biscuit. And not tea without biscuit.
And there's some say cross so what chiao na dey. Joshua so what chiao. Ala chama o say. Commander.
Chama so the TV na do. Chama TV.
Commander, Bawumia was so many people how many years? Because now we must say no about say na wufim. Because na year 24 or no 17. Because so we outsider ade. Wasum say.
Year ni you too desperate.
But you be specific question.
Me say na year no or you too desperate. You have desperation. How can you lie? Say, what did 24 years
and counting?
Let's just say more than 24 years ago. Now from 2008.
But we still counting and say, or that's who.
But that's who, let's just say, baby Guso. And that's what that's what baby Guso. No, that's who I'm about.
Guso kind.
Yeah, you know Guso.
Guso kind, like, still counting, Guso kind.
Simple mathematics. From 2008 up to 2016, 8 years. From 2016, I'm the winning power. 2017, no, BBC 2024. Another 8 years. Okabumanya 16. And the whole 2025.
17.
And Japan was 17 years.
So on one with the Wakano, and tonight I want with the no correct.
What 17 years in no correct. So because you're outsider, yes, and you're true. And then people in trouble 32 years. NPP come 32 years.
That's what we saw. No, when NPP never NDC,
they need problem. Identify political party a campaign to win people from other parties. And no problem with that.
Okay.
But my mama may kokotako. Mama may kokotako. Mama may unim.
Brother Bawumia.
Maybe I'm free. Say, J. for time. Or no, 2001. Now we research. We hear him. Before about the camera to say or no, MFA Dr. Bawumia our Bank of Ghana. True ni papa. Now we call you know. I'm a research assistant. Emma Paul Aqua. And you maybe Paul Aqua as governor of Bank of Ghana. And I would dignity. Those days, Paul Aqua called cabinet meeting. Bawumia the kita the briefcase. We hear people know about Kojo Kyeremanteng. What are you talking about? Just as if you know what kind of NT.
17 you're correct.
Or no, the 17, no, say was started or inherited. I tried to feel new is up to them.
Anyway, maybe sir commander because I know woman sana. OP. On that note,
oh, near meeting I can say political parties no.
Aye.
They are dynamic. Nipa bi etimi fi other political.
Yes, every room.
I join. Na so obi ba party no. Now ka say I'm now only here at the formation of the party. Want to be a party now. I am not convinced. The National Democratic Congress in 1992 na Jerry Rawlings onomoyino but the omonim the political landscape into no mo pe obia or CPP background into they waited and picked call in Kansenaka to partner Jerry Rawlings 1992. Jerry Colin Kensen cannot yet a member of the National Democratic Congress.
Yeah.
and Arrógant.
Progressive Alliance.
Yes. In the end, Obedi in Kunim with Jerry Rollins. Apart from say, and stop and Tradieri Bamu at cabinet. Even Professor John Evans Satanos. The credentials with the CPP and Nkrumah now and Nyadia Obia and was seen as a tax expert, a lawyer, and then Konkensin Akanyumanity and Yakofano at the buyer. He became president. What I detest, they say Yakofa Bawumia Agyapong. It is no news.
Yeah. When you did see that.
Okay, I say it's no news. Near news, they say, oh, Nigeria, you are a member of the People's National Convention.
Yes, Amira.
Yes, and yet Adia would be a from Opapa, apart from Modibo, the Adenta MP. Modibo here.
Yeah.
Or no, and from beginning, not need Ibrahim Mama, Juma, only say a pilot.
Oh, I see.
Adenta MP, no a pilot.
Ramadan.
No a pilot. Until now or no, he was the one piloting Ibrahim Mama everywhere. Has been constant a member of
the NDC.
But every member of the House has been a member of the PNC.
No doubt about that.
Until Yebeyi Bawumia as running mate. And I remember the late Dr. Sule Garba. Not be a general secretary. Yebeyi Bawumia we are not offering because we cannot count on the total support of Alhaji Ahmed Ramadan. Samira ne papa. Because and I say Aden, I see MPP Akoyi Bawumia. And I say, oh, Nyanka Sammy Bawumia. I say when you say on no ware Samira, and I'm saying until at this point, you know, if we want to deal with supporting the NDC in the CJA, that Ramadan's support cannot be counted. It was not that transited you from being a member of the PNC to NPP. So in political language, meaning as Samira, you are a JJC in NPP. It is a Omo party asema.
Yeah, allow
you be the sister that I know. Support your husband and allow this thing of the Ben Namikuno buy, you know. Let the party debate that one.
Okay.
That's all I can plead with her.
All right. On that note, Maya now I say, and I'm a who comments be brave. Comment section. I say all the complaints that you put there. Yeah, we've taken note of it. Nyamiya Adumwa, you be making sure that we work on it. And see, we are done. Say pa Nyamishamo. Ya boy, who comments no Priscilla or say. Mahu comment Mama Kofi Yesu Theophilus ACN Steven Joe Munina Malik S Kata Jeffrey Ola Accra Van Dam Adam Sharif Munina and there Mudi Bempa but me sure set technicians in woman who made you Jumadi Amena commander say Namena Minia Bema Bernard Muna I say next week.
If you are grant you have this week I say about dedicate your mouth.
All right. Mama now was say also nya daje ehwe we ya pampa mo the time ni be movie me mo ya rough for am say akọ 30 minutes account. I'm easy. Time no there. All right, bye-bye.
Chairman, and keep to the rules because I will object to anything that violates the rules.
But when we do this, it's not okay.
Mr. Chairman,
Minority leader don't be preemptive. Majority leader don't be preemptive. So go ahead.
Chairman, 7 separate proceedings across 3 jurisdictions. Our own Supreme Court, the High Court, and the ECOWAS Court of Justice now challenge the constitutional validity of that removal. Not one has been heard on its merits. Mr. Chairman, Yet, while these cases remain pending,
Mr. Chairman,
while the very question of whether a vacancy exists remains subject,
I object.
There is a nomination to replace.
I object.
One microphone should be off so that I can have the floor.
Honorable
Minority Leader, hold it. Majority Leader, you said you object. What are you objecting to?
Mr. Speaker.
Order.
Our rules are very clear on pending matters. Our rules are very clear on pending matters. And it says in Order 103F that a motion shall relate to definite issues and not be the subject of an action on which a judicial decision is pending in such a way as may, in the opinion of the Speaker, prejudice the interest of the parties to the action. Mr. Speaker, you see, when you keep saying motion, these rules guide proceedings in chamber, and mutatis mutandi, they apply to the work of committees as well. The rules are clear. What you can't do in the chamber, you cannot do in committee. So the rules are clear on pending matters. So you can't come here and comment on pending matters in a way that will prejudice the interests of the parties. So we stay away from running commentary on pending matters. We even don't refer to them. It's clear. I'm saying that you are a senior lawyer, you know. You've been in this house, you've been a majority leader, you've been a minority leader, you have lived through all the rulings in these matters. Pending matters, we should stay away from them. The conduct of judges, we should stay away from them. You have so far not impugned the process of nominating the nominee and submitting the nomination to this house, and the process of referral by Speaker of the nominee to this committee for the committee to do its work. Those are the legitimate matters that you can raise, and you haven't raised them. So all the questions about what happened, if you had waited and we started proceedings and you throw a question to the nominee to get his views on the matter, I may not object. But you can't just be allowed to run down everybody and get up and walk because you are Afenyo Markin. Why? It will not be allowed. I am going to look, this whole issue about you making a preliminary statement, show me a rule that says that you have a right to make a preliminary statement. Show me in our standing orders anything that says that you, Afenyo Markin, have a right to make preliminary statements. You don't. Listen, we developed it as a practice. We developed it as a practice where normally the two leaders may make welcoming statements and general open statements, but you have converted it into a platform to do a press conference where you attack and impugn people and walk away with it. I'm saying that today you will not attack anybody and walk away whilst I sit in this committee.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.